The electricity industry is going through a massive transformation. There is a huge participation of renewables, whether it's large utility scale renewables, wind farms, utility scale solar solutions and so on, or domestic renewables, which is rooftop PV cells and so on and so forth. With battery costs going down, this trend is only set to continue. This is great for customers because now they can actually generate electricity without increasing the carbon footprint. But there are two problems with this. The first one is, as the participation of renewables grow, it's very hard to understand and forecast what their output will be. Small changes in weather can have a large disruption on the electricity network stability. The ABB energy portfolio management solutions will use complex and advanced mathematical techniques, and there are solutions built around these techniques which will help you better forecast what the expected output will be, and this will help the system operators, the market operators, the electricity generation companies and so on to better balance their network. The second problem with increasing renewables is they're usually at places very far away, in the middle of the desert, in the middle of the ocean and so on. So operation and maintenance of these assets is a huge challenge. If one of these wind turbines fail, it's very hard to access the location and replace them. So the ABB Asset Health Center solution basically consumes a lot of data about these assets, run sophisticated algorithms on these data and predict a health score, which will allow you to take up intervention actions even before the asset fails. And that's the power of ABB, is we bring the deep understanding of the asset, the software capability, the analytics capability, package it all together and provide real value to customers.